Let's classify the triangle as right, acute, or obtuse based on the side lengths 4, 5, and 6. So we will be replacing this rule, which states that if C is the length of the longest side, and A and B are the length of the two shorter sides, and if the relation is followed, that is, if C squared equal to A squared plus B squared, then it is a right triangle. Or if c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, then it is an obtuse triangle. Or if c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, then it is considered to be acute triangle. So we will have to calculate c squared first, as well as a squared plus b squared, and then compare the result. And based on the comparison, we will decide whether it is a right triangle, obtuse, or acute triangle. So first, I'm going to determine the longest side. This one is the longest side, 6. So I consider this as 6, and the two shorter sides are 4 and 5. So first, let me calculate c squared. C squared equal to 6 squared, which is 36. And again, I'll calculate this a squared plus b squared. So a squared plus b squared. I substitute for a, that is 4 squared, plus b is, sorry, this is b is 5, so 5 squared, and this gives 16 plus 25, and this is equal to 41. Clearly we can see that c squared is 36, and this is less than 41, which is a squared plus b squared. So we are getting the relation c squared is less than a squared plus b squared. And this means it is an acute triangle. According to this rule, c squared is less than a squared plus b squared. So it is an acute triangle. So the answer to this question is acute.